নমস্কার, আমি রোহান চৌধুরী বলছি শ্যাটেরু থেকে। এই মুহূর্তে মানু ভাকারের সাথে সমস্ত মিডিয়া ইন্টারাকশনের পর এই ভিডিওটা রেকর্ড করছি। সকাল থেকে আজ দুর্দান্ত আবহাওয়া রয়েছে শ্যাটেরুতে। আমরা হিস্ট্রি ক্রিয়েট হতে দেখলাম, ইতিহাস করলো মানু ভাকার, প্রথম মহিলা শুটার যিনি অলিম্পিক্সের মেডেল পেলেন। 221.7 নিয়ে তিনি ওমেন্স 10 মিটার এয়ার পিস্তলে ব্রোঞ্জ মেডেল জিতলেন। ফার্স্ট প্লেস কোরিয়া, সেকেন্ড প্লেস কোরিয়া, থার্ড প্লেস মানু ভাকার। অদ্ভুত একটা মুহূর্ত ছিল আমাদের সকল সমর্থক যারা ছিলেন, মিডিয়ার লোকজন যারা ছিলেন, একটা প্রাউড মোমেন্ট ছিল সেই শুটিং রেঞ্জের মধ্যে। অনেক অপেক্ষার পরে আমরা ফাইনালি মানু ভাকারের সাথে কথা বলতে পেরেছি। কি বললেন মানু ভাকার, তার স্পিরিচুয়াল সাইড, তিনি গীতা পড়ে কি তার লাইফে ইনকালকেট করেছেন, তার জাসপার লানার সাথে তার সম্পর্ক, সেই টোকিওতে যে পিস্তল ম্যানুফ্যাকচারের পরে যাত্রাটা কতটা ডিফিকাল্ট ছিল, সমস্ত কিছু নিয়ে মানু ভাকার মুখ খুললেন স্পোর্টসের পর্দায়। দেখে নিন। Well, we have with us Manu Bhakkar, who just created history as the first Indian woman shooter to win an Olympic medals. Manu, many congratulations. Just take us through those last moments. How does it feel to be up there on the podium with the Indian flag going up? How was it?
Many thanks, firstly. Well, the feeling was surreal, and I had dreamt of it my whole life. If not whole life, then most of the life. So 8.5 years in my career, and I was like, the moment I got to know about the Olympic Games, I was like, I want to win a medal for India. But definitely the dream is of gold. Although I always have we have more opportunities on the way, maybe like couple of days, maybe like 4 years, in 4 years or whatever. Yeah, I mean, I'll try my best in all the events. However it turns out to be, I'll just accept however it is. So yes, it has been a dream of mine, and yeah, today I see my dream in my hands.
Absolutely. After that mishap that happened in Tokyo, how difficult was the journey to this podium finish?
After Tokyo, there were two phases that I had. One, I was really sad. Second, I was really angry. I was really sad because of how things turned out to be. I was angry because, again, I could have done so much better. I could have won easily, but that didn't happen. So I was angry and I was sad, so it's not a good combination. But I kept myself going through 2022. It was difficult for me to keep up and to be confident. So it was difficult, but 2023, as me and Jaspal started to work together, I think things started to fall in place and I started to feel more confident. And most in technical terms, also in normal everywhere, I felt more confident. So I think that's the major play for this.
So we learned about your spiritual side also. You have mentioned about Bhagavad Gita helping you through this difficult time. So could you please elaborate on that?
Yes. So it's surprising that such an old manuscript, such an old book, it's so relevant even in today's time. And if you take a look at it, deeper look at it, then you will be able to utilize it in your day-to-day life. And it has such good lessons. I was also somebody suggested it to me, and I'm giving that forward, that if you get time, or even if you don't get time, take out time and read at least 2 phrases every day. It'll make you feel more down to earth, more confident, and it'll motivate you to do even better in life, however you are doing. Maybe you are in hard times, it'll make it easier for you.
Thoughts on Jaspal Lana, sir?
So he revoked the religious side in me, and he was like, you should believe in God. You should have some faith that you have come so far with so much hard work. Okay, but you have come so far, and so less people get this chance. So you should be grateful for that, and you should have faith in that energy, that God or whosoever you believe in. So one thing is that, and secondly, yeah, technically he made no sound.
Plans for the next 2 events and overall thoughts on the shooting contingent, because after London 2012 this is the first medal. So was that an added pressure, and what do you think, how many medals can the shooting contingent give this time?
Honestly, I feel like you'll always realize about the records after they are made, or breaking the records also, you will realize after it's broken. So there's always a first time for something, and I am grateful that this opportunity was passed on me. That I will win the first medal, starting this Olympic Games and breaking the record for the women's. They could not win the medal, but I dedicate this to all of them who tried their best but could not make it to the podium. This is all for us.
Could you please just give a medal case and just
Yeah.
show the medal to the viewers? Thank you so much. And many
There's
congratulations.
this Eiffel Tower piece on this also.
Yeah,
This is a real.
it's a special one.
Yeah.
And you deserve it. Congratulations.
Thank you.